Thought about you way too much. Overthinking us. 'Cause you've been so out of touch. You could've had my love, but you've been so out of touch.
Monday, I was dreaming about the Tuesday.